Alright, here's my new top. They're going to put it on today. I'm talking kind of quiet because there's a bunch of people around. But anyway, that's how they come. It's been sitting out. They did have to put all the glass in it and stuff. But yeah, that's how they come in these big crates like this. So anyway, hopefully I can get a little bit of it when they put it on. It's all 3 pieces. I'm assuming that the rest of them are in here. Anyway, I'll see if I can get some video of them putting it on. Here they are, just taking the old top off. I guess they have to cut the top up so Ford knows that nobody's using them. But anyway, we'll see it when it comes off. Alright, here it is with the top off. This will probably be the only time the top's off of it, for us anyway, completely. So, that's what it looks like. Of course, you've seen that on a million videos, but there it is. So they're gonna put that on there. Well, I couldn't really video a whole lot more at the dealership. This is quite a bit later. I lost a little bit of footage, so I'm kind of doing a little show and tell fill-in package. What they did is they replaced the top. This is the new one. They do reuse the back glass from the original top, the wiper, all this whole back stuff here. And they put 2 new front pieces in it also. They're out of it right now. Just my wife's been driving around with that up. It's summertime now. It's super hot, but it's perfect time for that. Anyway, it went fine. The sad part's what they do to the top otherwise. Mine wasn't bad, but it was part of the recall, so they had to do something to it to make it non-usable. And I'll show you that right now. Well, in case you were wondering what they do with the old Bronco tops, the new Bronco tops that are no good, they cut the corners off of them, so you can't use them. See how they cut that there? There's a piece of it. Anyway, that's how Ford disposes of them.